Why is the fucking screen? Guys. Guys, should I put some lip liner on? Guys, everybody that's in this live, go follow my TikTok. It's right there, Nova Loco Spam. And you'll get a follow back. Okay. I'm gonna get my but I didn't do my makeup today. I didn't do anything today. So I guess I'll just do a little bit of lip liner. Guys, don't follow me on here, guys. Follow my TikTok. Guys.
Nova, play with the.
You're promoting. You're promoting what? What am I promoting? I'm sitting here doing what? Like, who do you think you are? Get the fuck out of my comments. Okay? Bye. Now you're gonna get blocked, KJ? Bye. Okay. Anyways. Guys. You look like my... Nah, I'm mad. What?